Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be teaching you how to make scouring powder. Why buy scouring powder when you can make one for yourself at home? And to make our scouring powder, I'm going to be using eggshells. So if you have been throwing out your eggshells, you need to watch this video. If today is your first time of stopping by, thank you for coming, and I appreciate you for always coming here to like my videos, sharing, and I appreciate all those beautiful comments. So to make our scouring powder, we are going to be boiling our eggshells. The reason for boiling it is to take out all the residues, all the slimy residues that are hiding in the shell. We are going to transfer it into our pot and boil it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once we are done boiling it, we'll transfer it into a clean bowl and water and wash out all the residues that are hiding in the shell. So once we are done washing it, we'll line it into a baking tray or a tray, something that we can easily spread the eggs inside and sun dry it. But for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to transfer it into my oven and dry it for about 2 minutes. Once I'm done drying it, I decided to use my hand to crack the eggs and transfer into my blender to blend into powder form. So once you are done blending, you can decide to add baking soda if you wish. It is totally optional. But for the purpose of this video, I decided to add a baking soda into it. So I added about 2 tablespoons of baking soda, because baking soda too is like a washing agent. You can use it to disinfect, to also whiten stuff. So I added about 2 tablespoons of that and I mixed everything together. So once you are done mixing it, you have made yourself a scouring powder. So I'm going to practicalize how we are going to be using this scouring powder to wash our cookwares. So I showed you in the beginning of the video the extent of which the cookwares are really dirty. So I'm going to be practicalizing it and washing some of the pots for you to see how effective this is. Now you can see the after effects of the pots after we have been able to use our scouring powder to wash it. So you can also try this at home with just 2 homemade ingredients, then you are good to go. This is absolutely amazing. Will you be trying it? See you in my next one, and bye for now.